The interest coverage ratio really looks at the profits the company is generating relative to the interest expense it is incurring. So how would we calculate our interest coverage ratio? We simply take our profit before interest and tax and we divide it by the interest expense. So it's our profit before interest and tax and divided by the interest expense. So let's say we get an answer of 6. Implicitly, what that means is this company could increase its debt levels 6 times what they are at this point in time, and they would still be able to honor the interest obligations on that debt. Just be very, very careful. We only take into account the interest expense. We're not taking into account the repayments of principal or capital. So it gives us a sense, the interest coverage ratio, of how affordable the interest expense the company is incurring is, and whether the company can take on more debt or whether it's actually quite pressed. Let's do an example. In our example, in the first year, the company has got a profit before interest and tax of 3 million. It has an interest expense of 1 million. The interest coverage ratio is going to be 3. Simply the profit before interest and tax divided by the interest expense. So this company could theoretically increase its debt levels by 3 times and it would still be able to service the interest expense. In the second year, the profit before interest and tax is 4, the interest expense is 2, our interest coverage ratio has dropped to 2 times. So there's been a deterioration of sorts.